Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about something I struggled with a lot, and that is the ability to trust myself. I lost it somewhere along the line, and it was really hard for me to get it back. Honestly, when you're not able to trust yourself, it's very hard to fulfill your potential, to change your life, to take responsibility for your life, and to make better choices, because you keep telling yourself inside your mind, at least for me, it was like, I can't do this, I can't do this. The voice inside my head was not a cheerleader. The voice inside my head was negative, filled with so much self-doubt. So how was I able to even have a chance to? It was extremely challenging for me to get it back. If you don't trust yourself with following through, keeping your promises to yourself, not being able to prioritize yourself, prioritizing distractions or other people's needs above yours, is really something that's gonna be detrimental to fulfilling your potential. If it's always about what somebody else needs instead of what you need, that could be something you are doing for you to avoid whatever feelings that is bringing up, and you rather distract yourself, escape, or prioritize other people's needs or other things instead of really sitting with that feeling of not trusting yourself. And that is a very heavy feeling. I would be lying if I say it's not. For me, it was something that I had to pray about and ask God to give me the courage to really take on and dig deep and understand where it's coming from, instead of just looking at it as, okay, I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna find a solution right away. It's no, actually, before you find a solution, can you figure out why that is the case? Because you cannot just deal with the symptom, you gotta try to cure yourself. So for me, trusting myself is me being able to follow through on the things that I say that I'm going to do, to be able to start something and finish it, to be able to keep the promises that I, gave myself, trying to let's say, and that's in many aspects, financially, you might tell yourself, oh, I'm trying to save this much money or pay off this debt. But then every time you have the occasion to do that, you choose to do something else and self-sabotage that goal that you set. That is something that's going to be really harmful for you to develop the ability to trust yourself. When I say following through is, keeping your word to yourself, but to other people as well. When you tell your friend you're going to do something, do it. When you say something, when you tell your boss you're gonna do something, do it. Whoever that is, family, friends, at work, that is going to really build trust within yourself that you're able to push through whatever discomfort, fear, whatever it is, you're able to get things done. That is really gonna build your confidence. Well, I was able to do this even if it was hard. I trusted myself to be able to get through this challenging, whatever it is, challenging thing, and I got to the other side and I did it by myself. Yes, you can get help, but it's really important to build that within yourself. And I truly believe when you build that ability to trust yourself, you feel safer within yourself, because you are not against yourself. You realize that you could be, your own best friend, your own cheerleader, because you're able to not disappoint yourself. And if you do disappoint yourself, it's very important to give yourself grace, because we are doing this life thing for the first time and we learn from our mistakes. But if we're talking down on ourselves when we do something wrong, when we do something that is not the thing that we wanted to do, and we feel so disappointed in ourselves, we are not supposed to stay in that state of shame and guilt. We are supposed to overcome that and get to the other side and really give ourselves grace and give ourselves the opportunity to make a better choice, because that's the only way you can change something that you don't like. Just make a better choice. As soon as an opportunity comes up, make a better choice. And by doing that, you are building that trust within yourself. It's really crazy because this advice that I'm giving you guys is so fitting. I'm literally practicing it as I film this because I'm having such a hard time filming it with the angle and everything. It's pretty hard, but I'm following through, keeping my promise to myself to film this video, and I am showing up and I'm finishing what I started. I feel like it's very important for a journey to fulfill your potential, to build that ability to trust yourself. I hope this video inspires you in any way, and if it does, please could you like, subscribe, and share it with somebody that needs it. It would be really helpful for me. Thank you.